What's up, guys? Will H, and today we are taking a look at the Ringke Onyx flap magnetic case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Big shout out to Ringke for sending this over for a review. I'll have the product purchase link down below. So I've taken everything out of the box. Here's the box: Ringke Live a Better Day Onyx flap magnetic for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. This is the black color. Comes in other colors if I'm not mistaken. But here we are. I'll have a link in the description. You get a adhesive strip in here. You get their very cool Ringke sticker. I always like having these. I got quite a few of them. You get your guide to tell you how to take off the. There was a protective film on the inside of the case, back case. It tells you how to take that off. And then you get your user's guide. This case has to be put together. This tells you how to do it. And then you got optional accessory. All right, so here's the back part of the case. Ringke, these Onyx cases have always been very popular. They have a lot of grip, and that's what I like about them. This is PC and TPU material. So here it is. You guys can see that grip in there on the outside of it as well. You do have hinge protection, and then this is MagSafe as well. There's your MagSafe ring there, and then here's the front grip continues around the outside of this as well. And you have to put these together, like I said. There's two little pieces right here that snaps into the inside of the back piece right here. So what you have to do is kind of hold down on your hinge protection, drop it in place, and there it is. So now these two are connected, and you take your phone and drop it on the back piece on, fold this over and drop your front piece on, and there it is. It is connected. So you open it up, here it is. This is what it looks like here. You guys see right there. Very nice looking, some great protection as well. So the top of it, you guys can see your microphones and your speaker right there. This side, you got your volume up and down. Now they're covered, but they're textured, so you can determine the top from the bottom. You got your fingerprints / power button right there. And I do like how they leave the indentions there so you can open the case up very easily. Grip going around here, Ringke branding right there. You got a place for a lanyard. Got your microphones, charging port, speaker. And then on the back, you got that rest of that grip there. Recessed cameras, so you don't have to worry about your cameras being damaged. Now, I did put this on there without that adhesive, and it's on there pretty tight. So if you use the adhesive, it's going to be even more. So volume up and down. No issues. I can get to my fingerprint sensor very easy as well. And yeah, doesn't add a whole lot of bulk. I actually love the way this case feels, man. Very grippy. Let's go ahead and check out the MagSafe feature here. See if it'll charge the phone. And as you guys see, it is charging it. And the magnet sticks very well. So here it is, the Ringke Onyx flap magnetic case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. I'll definitely leave a product purchase link down below if you guys want to go pick this up. Will H, I'm out.